Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize zkSync Explorer for L2 transaction confirmation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the zkSync Explorer website. Once on the home page, look for the navigation menu at the top of the screen. Click on the option labeled Connect Wallet. You will see a list of supported wallets. Choose the wallet you plan to use. If you select MetaMask, you will be prompted to open the MetaMask extension. Log into your MetaMask account if you aren't already signed in. After logging in, give MetaMask permission to connect to the zkSync Explorer. You should see a confirmation message on the zkSync Explorer indicating that your wallet is connected. Next, locate the section for verifying your L2 transaction. Input the transaction hash you wish to confirm in the designated search bar. Click on the search icon to proceed. The Explorer will retrieve details about your transaction, including its status. If the transaction is confirmed, you will see a success message along with relevant details. If the transaction is pending, you can refresh the page for updates. To check the latest transaction status, you may also navigate back to the wallet interface. Make sure your wallet is set to the correct network to view L2 transactions. Once your transaction is confirmed, your zkSync Explorer will allow you to view all relevant information regarding the transaction. If needed, take screenshots or notes for your records. This process ensures you can successfully authorize and confirm L2 transactions on zkSync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.